I'm just screwing around, you guys. Just got a video response from Jersey Fat Man Jersey, whatever you want to call him. Made me laugh, so I'm doing a little better. Just had a few people that are talking to me, but it's no matter. Just want to come on here, say nothing can cheer you up better. Sitting home with your Faygo, listening to Chicken Huntin'. ICP, man. Delicious. Now if we could get some more flavors and money to buy more Faygo, if I could get an actual hatchet charm, I'd be rolling. But no, I gotta deal with all this bullshit. But yeah, I just want to say that much clown love, and drink your Faygo. This is Chicken Huntin', whatever you depress. Just chop the fuckers up. Makes you feel so much better. You look like a crazy motherfucker. Go crazy. Much clown love, y'all. Just want to make a short little video about this. Whoop whoop.